Good morning to all. Today we are going to solve the problems on addition of matrix, subtraction of matrix, multiplication of matrix and transpose, also equality concept and also scalar multiplication of a matrix. Okay, this is the first type of problems. Type 1 problems. Type 1. Under this first example is, if A is equal to, if matrix A is equal to 3, 1, minus 2, 4, then find 2A matrix, comma 5A matrix and 1 by 2 times of A matrix. Okay, what is our problem? Matrix A is given, 2 by 2 matrix is there. Matrix A is given 3, 1, minus 2, 4. Then we have to find 2A matrix, 5A matrix and also 1 by 2 times of A matrix. That is, to this problems on concept of scalar multiplication of a matrix. Scalar multiplication of a matrix. So consider A matrix here. A is equal to 3, 1, minus 2, 4. We require 2A, 2 into A matrix. Write 2 times of A matrix here also. 3, 1, minus 2, 4. Yes, how we find 2A? Very simple. Multiply all elements of matrix A by 2. 2 ನಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ elements ಗೆ multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How? This is equal to 2 3s are 6, 2 into 1 2, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, 2 4s are 8. This is our required 2A matrix. Similarly, 5A matrix, 5A is equal to 5 times of A matrix, 3, 1, minus 2, 4. To multiply all elements of matrix A by 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into minus 2, minus 10, 5 4s are 20. This is our 5A matrix. Similarly, 1 by 2 times of A matrix, 1 by 2 times of A matrix, 3, 1, minus 2, 4. So, what will happen? 1 by 2 times of 3 means 3 by 2 it is. 1 by 2 into 1 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into minus 2, 2 to cancel, minus 1. 1 by 2 into 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. This is 2. Okay, this is 1 by 2 times of A matrix. Okay, second problem. Second problem, if matrix A 2, 3, 4, minus 1 and matrix B 3, 0, minus 1, minus 3. Then find A plus B and A minus B matrix. So simple, matrix A and matrix B are given. Now what we do? We have to find sum of two matrices, addition of two matrices and difference of two matrices, that is subtraction of two matrices we are going to find. Already we discussed in detail in theory part. Okay, how we add two matrices? Quite simple. Solution: A plus B is equal to, write A matrix here, 2, 3, 4 minus 1 plus write the B matrix 3 0 minus 1 minus 3, right? To add any two matrices means what we do? We have to add their corresponding elements. Their corresponding elements. How? 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 0 3, 4 plus into minus minus 1, 4 minus 1 it is 3, minus 1 plus into minus minus 3, minus 1 minus 3 both are negative, so it becomes minus 4. This is A plus B matrix. Yes, simple. To add any two matrices means what we do? We have to add their corresponding elements. 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 0 3, 4 plus into minus minus 1 become 3, minus 1 plus into minus minus 3, minus 1 minus 3 it is minus 4. Okay. Similarly, A minus B. A minus B is equal to matrix A 2 3 4 minus 1 minus of 3 0 minus 1 minus 3, right? Subtraction corresponding elements. 2 minus 3, write one step. 3 minus 0, 4 minus of minus 1, 4 minus of minus 1, minus 1 minus of minus 3. Okay. Next is simplification. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 3 minus 0 is 3 only, minus 4 minus into minus become plus 1, it is 5, minus into minus plus 3, minus 1 plus 3 is plus 2. Okay, this is the second problem. Okay, this is the third problem. If A is equal to 2 by 2 matrix is given, 2 1 3 4, and B is also it is a 2 by 2 matrix, 2 1 0 3 row wise, then find 2A plus 3B and 2A minus 3B matrix. Okay, addition and subtraction with scalar multiplication concept. Okay, solution 2A plus 3B is equal to, write 2 times of A matrix, 1 2 3 4 plus 3 times of B matrix per column, 2 1 0 3. Yes, what we done here? 2A plus 3B, 2 times of A matrix plus 3 times of B matrix. Okay. Before going to add the corresponding element, first what we do? Multiply elements of A matrix by 2. Multiply all elements of B matrix by 3. How? See here. 2 into 1, 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. Similarly, here 3 2s are 6, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 0, 0, 3 3s are 9. Yes, what we done here? All elements of A matrix is multiplied by 2, all elements of B matrix is multiplied by 3. Now addition. To add any two matrices, what we do? Add their corresponding elements. How? 2 plus 6, 8, 4 plus 3, 7, 6 plus 0, 6, 8 plus 9, 17, 8 plus 9, 17. This is 2A plus 3B is completed. Similarly, find 2A minus 3B matrix. 2A minus 3B is equal to, write 2 times of A matrix, 2 times of A matrix, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus of 3 times of B matrix 2, 1, 0, 3. Yes, what we done here? 2A minus 3B. 2 times of A matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 3 times of B matrix 2, 1, 0, 3. Here also what we do? Multiply all elements of A matrix by 2 and multiply all elements of B matrix by 3. After that, subtraction of 2 matrices. Okay. So what will happen? 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8 minus 3 into 2 6, 3 1 ja 3, 3 into 0 0, 3 3 ja 9. Now subtraction of 2 matrices. Subtraction of 2 matrices ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ again their corresponding element subtraction. How? Simple. 2 minus 6, right, one step. 2 minus 6, 4 minus 3, okay, 6 minus 0, 8 minus 9. Next simplification. 2 minus 6 is minus 4, 4 minus 3 is 1, 6 minus 0 is 6, 8 minus 9 is minus 1. This is 2A minus 3B matrix. Okay, this is problem number 4. Find AB, product of matrix, multiplication of matrix. Find AB if A is given and B is given. A is a 2 by 2 matrix, B is also 2 by 2 matrix. Matrix multiplication is possible. So AB is equal to 0, minus 1, 0, 2. A matrix. B matrix is 3, 5, 0, 0. Yes, what is the procedure of multiplication of matrix? Row by column procedure. Multiplication procedure is row by column method. How? By considering first row of first matrix, multiply elements of first column of second matrix. How? 0 into 3, 0, minus into plus, minus, 1 into 0, 0. First row by first column. Similarly, first row by second column. 0 into 5, 0, 0 into 5, 0, minus into plus, minus, 1 into 0, 0. First row by first column, first row by second column completed. Now consider second row of A matrix. Okay, 0 into 3, 0, plus into plus, plus 2 into 0, 0. Second row by second column. 0 into 5, 0, plus into plus, plus 2 into 0, 0. So this is equal to simplification 0, 0, 0, 0. So what we get here? 0 matrix. AB, A into B. We got answer is a 0 matrix. Here I have taken two problems. Problem number 5 and problem number 6. First we solve example number 5. What is given? A matrix is given 2 minus 1 3 0 1 5. So what is its order? 2 by 3. Here first row, second row, third row. Its order is 3 by 2. First column, second column. So matrix multiplication is possible only when columns of first matrix must be equal to rows of second matrix. Then its resultant is also matrix of order row of first matrix by column of second matrix. That is answer matrix order 2 by 2 barutte, right? So find A into B, multiplication of matrix. How? 2 minus 1 3, 0 1 5. Consider B matrix. 2 3 1 minus 2 4 0. Row by column procedure. To multiply any two matrices, what we do? We use row by column procedure. How? So considering first row, multiply all element of first column of second matrix. That is 2 2s are 4 minus into plus minus 1 into 1 1 plus into plus 3 4s are 12. First row by first column is completed. First row by second column. 2 3s are 6 minus into minus become plus 1 into 2 2 plus into plus become plus 3 into 0 0. Okay, first row by first column, first row by second column, both are completed. So first row work is completed. Now consider second row by first column. 0 into 2 0 plus into plus 1 into 1 1 plus into plus 5 4s are 20 5 4s are 20. Second row by second column. 0 into 3 0 plus into minus 1 into 2 2 plus into plus 5 into 0 0. Next is simplification. What? 4 minus 1 plus 12. So how much it is? 12 plus 4 16. 16 minus 1 is 15. Okay. 6 plus 2 plus 0 it is 8. 0 plus 1 plus 20 it is 21. Addition 0 minus 2 0. So it is minus 2. This is A into B matrix. Problem number 5 is completed. Okay. Now come to the question number 6. What is this? This is also multiplication of matrix A square. A into A matrix. A into A matrix. So consider A square. This can be written as A into A. Okay. Write A matrix 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Again A matrix 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. To multiply these two, again we use row by column method. Okay. How? See here. First row by first column. 1 into 1 1 minus into minus become plus 1 into 1 1. First row by first column is completed. First row by second column. 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus into plus minus 1 into 1 is 1. First row by first column, first row by second column, both are completed. Now consider second row of this one. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 minus plus into minus 1 into 1 is 1. Second row by first column is also completed. Second row by second column. Minus into minus plus 1 into 1 plus into plus 1 into 1. Now this is simplification. 2 minus 2 minus 2 2. This is A square. A square is completed. If you want to simplify, simplify ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದಪ್ಪ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? Take 2 common. All element containing 2. So we can take 2 outside the matrix. If you take 2 common, 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. This is equal to 2 times of again whatever we get. This is nothing but a given matrix itself. 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. So we can write 2a. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ತರನು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದಪ್ಪ. If a is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 1, then prove that a square is equal to 2a. ಈ ತರ find a square. Stop here only. If your question is like that, prove that a square equal to 2a. Again we have to do one more step. Okay. These are the problem number 5 and 6. Okay, problem number 7 and problem number 8. Again I have taken 2 problems. Seventh problem is if a is equal to 5 0 1, that is first row, second row, third row, only one column, 3 by 1 order. B matrix, one row, first column, second column, third column, three columns, right? Find their product. Whether product is possible or not possible, how to check? Very simple. Columns of first matrix must be equal to rows of second. One in it, no problem. And after multiplication, your resultant matrix order is row of A by column of B. That is 3 by 3 barutte. Okay. We will check. Find A into B. AB is equal to 5, 0, minus 1. B matrix 2, 3, 4. Row by column procedure. Row by column procedure. Yes. Simple. First row by first column. Here row is also containing only one element. Column is also containing only one element directly. Okay. 2 5s are 10. First row by first column completed. First row by second column. 5 3s are 15. This is also completed. First row by third column. 5 4s are 20. So first row by first column, first row by second column, first row by third column completed. Second row by first column 0 into 2 0. Second row by second column 0 into 3 0. Second row by third column 0 into 4 0. So this is also completed. Third row by first column minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Third row by third column minus 1 into 4 minus 4. Its order is 3 by 3. This is our AB matrix. Right? Now, question number 8 is, what is 8? A is 2, 1, 3, 4. B is 1, 2, minus 2, 0. 2 by 2 matrix. Both are orders same. No doubt multiplication is possible. Find AB. What is our question? Find A into B. Again multiplication of matrix. AB is equal to 2, 1, 3, 4. B matrix is 1, 2, minus 2, 0. Row by column procedure. Right? This is equal to first row by first column 2 into 1, 2. Plus into minus, minus 1 into 2, 2. First row by first column. First row by second column 2 2s are 4. Plus into plus, plus 1 into 0, 0. Second row by first column 3 into 1, 3. Plus into minus, minus 4 2s are 8. Second row by second column 3 2s are 6. Plus into plus, plus 4 into 0, 0. Next is simplification work. 2 minus 2, 0. 4, 3 minus 8 is minus 5. 6 plus 0 is 6. This is our required AB matrix. Okay, problem number 9 and 10 I have taken here. Problem number 9 is A is equal to matrix A is equal to 2 minus 1, 3 minus 4. Then find A plus A dash and A dash minus A. Okay. First, what is given? What is given? Matrix A 2 minus 1, 3 minus 4. Then find its transpose A dash. This implies it's a transpose A dash. Yes, how to find A dash? Just interchange rows into columns. 2 minus 1. Okay. 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4. We got A dash. After getting A dash, what we do? A plus A dash as well as A dash minus A find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay? A plus A dash. A is the given matrix. 2 minus 1, 3 minus 4 plus it's a dash 2, 3 minus 1 minus 4. This is equal to add any two matrices means what we do, we have to add their corresponding elements. 2 plus 2 become 4 minus 1 plus 3 it is 2. 3 plus minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 4 plus into minus 4, minus 4 minus 4 minus 8. This is a plus a dash. Similarly, a minus a dash is equal to, a dash minus a we required. A dash minus a is equal to, write a dash first, 2, 3 minus 1 minus 4 minus of A matrix is 2 minus 1, 3 minus 4. Subtraction of two matrices. Yes, how to subtract? 2 minus 2, 3 minus into minus plus 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus into minus plus 4. This is equal to, what is the answer? 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 plus 1 is 4. Minus 1 minus 3. Minus 4 minus 4 plus 4 is 0. Okay? Is it clear? First what we done? We have taken the given matrix and we find the A dash by interchanging rows into columns. After that, a plus a dash, addition of two matrices concept, a dash minus a, subtraction of two matrices concept. Okay, now come to the problem number 10. It's very simple. Product a into a dash, a into it's a transpose. Here also what we do, given a matrix is 4, 5, 6, 7. Then find its a dash. A dash is equal to, interchange rows into column 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Now make the product of A into A dash. A dash is equal to, A matrix is 4, 5, 6, 7. Its a dash is 4, 6, 5, 7. Row into column procedure. Row into column procedure. Yes. Row by column. 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are 25. 4 into 6 24 plus 7 5s are 35. First row by first column. First row by second column completed. Second row by first column. 6 4s are 24, 7 5s are 35, 6 6 are 36, 7 7s are 49. Next is simplification 1. 16 plus 25, how much it is? 31, 41. 24 plus 35, it is 9, 5, 5, 9. 29, 5, this is also 59. 36 plus 49, 1 50 plus 30, 85. This is A into A dash matrix. Okay, next problem is, if A is a 2 by 2 matrix, 1, minus 2, 2, 3, and B is also 2 by 2 matrix, minus 3, 2, 0, minus 1, then we have to prove AB whole dash, A into B, product of two matrix whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. Okay, so what we do here, given A and B is given, so find first AB, A into B, product of two matrix, 1 minus 2, 2, 3. B matrix is minus 3, 2, 0, minus 1. Right? Product of two matrix row by column procedure. This is equal to, yes, how to find first row by first column. 1 into minus 3, minus 2 into 0, it is 0. 1 into 2, 2, minus into minus, plus 2 into 1, it is 2. First row by first column, first row by second column, completed. Second row by first column, 2 into minus 3, minus 6, plus 3 into 0, 0. 2 into 2, 4, plus into minus, 3 into 1, 3. This is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 plus 0 value is minus 3. 2 plus 2 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4. Minus 6 plus 0 is minus 6. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, this is A into B. But we require AB whole dash. This implies AB whole dash is equal to interchange rows into columns. Minus 3, 4, column number minus 6, 1. Okay. Now call this an equation number 1. We got left hand side of the result AB whole dash. Now find right hand side of the result. So before going to find B dash into A dash, first to find A dash and B dash. How? By considering A matrix. What is the A matrix here? 1 minus 2, 2, 3. This implies it's a dash. A dash is equal to 1 minus 2, 2, 3. Similarly, consider a B matrix. Consider a B matrix. Minus 3, 2, 0, minus 1. It's a dash. B dash is equal to minus 3, 2, 0, minus 1. Right? Now, find B dash into A dash. B dash into A dash is equal to B dash is minus 3, 0, 2 minus 1 into A dash is 1, 2, minus 2, 3. To multiply these two, what we do? Row by column procedure. Right? This is equal to minus 3 into 1, minus 3 plus into minus 0, minus 3 into 2, minus 6, plus 3 into 0, 0, 2 into 1, 2, minus into minus, plus 2, 2 into 0, 4, plus into minus, 3 into 1, 3. This is equal to minus 3, minus 6, 4, 1. B dash into A dash. Call this an equation number 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, what is the one answer? Minus 3, minus 6, 4, 1. From equation 2, minus 3, minus 6, 4, 1, both are same. So what we do? From equation 1 and 2, from equations 1 and 2, AB whole dash